Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is a Somali girl singing Indian song. It's really amazing. This is really amazing girl from Somalia. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share to friends. You're watching our reaction video, and my name is Nav. So must subscribe and must share this video if you like. So let's check out. Oh wow. Somali girl singing Indian song. Oh, amazing. Nice. Wow.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं
Wow.
क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या
Amazing, amazing.
करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है
This is really nice.
यारा मैं क्या करूं रब ने बना दी चोरी
Wow, wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. This is a Somali girl singing Indian song. If you really like this video, I really enjoy it. And she's really amazing singer from Somalia. If you like, so must subscribe. I'm your friend from India. So love you all. Take care and bye bye.